Former Kisumu Boys High School students have joined hands to fix the school's dilapidated infrastructure. Under the umbrella of Kisumu Boys High School Alumni Foundation, the school is set for a major facelift. The organization, chaired by former East Africa Law Society President James Agri Mwamu, said they have raised funds to upgrade the school to help it regain its past glory.
Where did the rain begin beating us? Where did we come out of the path? And we realize also that government, we cannot wait for the government to revamp the standards in the school. We as old boys will want to get in and see not what we can just do for Kisumu Boys, but also for schools around. And we have brought all the Kisumu Boys alumni from all over the country to be able to see what we can do, not just for the education of Kisumu Boys, but also schools in Kisumu County.
If you walk around this place, the buildings are dilapidated. And also there is a lot of population pressure on the classrooms. As we walked around, we realized that some of the classrooms had been converted to be dormitories. This was a day school. It was not supposed to be a boarding school. And I think that anomaly is creating a lot of pressure, and the learning environment for students, therefore, is not very good. This school can